Hey guys, so I am in my student version of CTLS. So this is the student view. So this is exactly what you see if you were looking at your CTLS Learn on a tablet in this case. All right, so on the on the left hand side of your screen, you have this little tab here, and you can make it bigger or smaller. In this case, I'm gonna go check out a couple of things. So, just to clarify for you, my schedule is posted on the screen under the class board section. It never changes, it never moves most typically. And so you see your class schedule. Notice the times are different than the times when we were in face-to-face. Okay, so Concert Choir, the email that I sent you yesterday is just a reminder that class starts at 8 o'clock, not 8:20, not 8:30. So just be mindful of that so that we can make sure we are attempting to get to 100%. And then my office hours and all of those things, chat and chew times, etc., etc. Okay, announcements. A lot of times when you guys send me messages, DMs, band app chats, or emails, the questions that you're asking me are located in the announcements section of the CTLS page, okay? So in this case, you see you have a new assignment, and those are your Flipgrid assignments. And then Wednesday enrichment. So between now and the next 30 minutes, make sure that you've looked at Wednesday enrichment. Please note, Wednesdays are not free days, okay? This is a day for you to get caught up in your classes, for you to get remediation if you need it, and also for you to get enrichment, okay? So make sure that you are using your time wisely, because zeros and late grades start next week for our class, okay? So just make sure that you're on top of everything. There's also a Flipgrid tutorial video. If you've not used Flipgrid yet in class, make sure that you check out the Flipgrid tutorial video and then go into our Flipgrid and get caught up. All right, last but not least, the assignments page. Make sure your assignment page doesn't look like mine. Of course, I'm not going to do my own assignments because I'm the teacher, but this is a student page. So make sure your assignment page does not look like this. If you look at it and it has a start date and then a due date, it's red, that means you haven't submitted it. If you have submitted it, make sure you go into it, click submit response, and just double check to make sure that your response has been done, okay? So you click add edit response. When you click add edit response, a little pop-up comes up. You can type in your response, click save, and then you submit your response, okay? Now, for most assignments, I always try to allow you the opportunity to submit as many times as you need to. So you can always go back and fix something or copy and paste something. If CTLS is down, I will usually send your announcements or assignments through through the band app or through social media. So you can just copy and paste or do it on a Word doc and then attach it later once CTLS comes back up. So make sure you handle your business, okay? So you'll see there that your assignments are going to be done. I am not going to be grading your assignments through CTLS because it jacks up how things show up in Synergy. So I will assign you things through CTLS so that you can access it, but your final grade will come in through Synergy. And so right now I'm working to build the grade book, and then I will start inputting grades very soon. So if there's anything that you have not done from the first 3 weeks of school up until Friday Make sure you get it in, because after this week, the late grading process starts happening, okay? So you have to be responsible. You're not going to get more than probably daily reminders of, you're not going to get those daily reminders, okay? So make sure that you're checking your assignments page. Make sure you're checking the class agenda when we have live sessions. Make sure you check the announcement board, because you might not hear that you have something due on Friday from me verbally, okay? So other than that, as always, if you have questions that you cannot find the answer to on CTLS, ask a friend in your class first and then send me an email, because I promise they probably caught it if you didn't, okay? So, as always, I'll see you guys later.